Hi friends, welcome to another important update about a change in our immigration policies that will impact a lot of people. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one. Hi again. First of all, thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It is growing and it is growing because of you. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you're going to want to do so right now because this is the channel that provides you with important updates in the world of immigration. And I also teach a lot about other topics, immigration 101s. I want you to go ahead and subscribe so that you can get these important updates and videos. Okay, so what's happening? As you guys know, the government issued a new policy that says that they can essentially deny your petition or your application without giving you notice first. Basically, you would not receive a request for additional evidence, nor will you receive a notice of intent to deny. Now, this policy, I talked about it just a couple of months ago in one of my videos. I'm going to put the link to that video right here in this video. Please watch that because in that video, I go into much greater details about this new policy. But for now, here's what I want you to know. This is an update. This policy went into effect on September 12th, 2018, and immigration has provided some general guidance to us about what this policy will look like now that it's in effect. And so the first thing that you need to know is that if your petition or your application was filed before September 12, 2018, this new policy does not apply to you, meaning that if you had submitted your family petition or your adjustment of status application and you did not include all of the required evidence, you will receive a request for additional evidence or initial evidence. You'll receive a letter that asks you to supply the missing documentation, evidence, or whatever the information may be. So this does not apply to anyone who had petitioned, who had filed before September 12, 2018. Next, this new policy does not apply to what immigration calls or will consider as innocent mistakes, okay, or any sort of misunderstanding. What in the world does that mean, right? So for example, if you filed your petition and you're missing a few pages, they're saying that they will overlook that and they will ask you to resubmit, refile before they just deny you outright, okay? So if it was an innocent mistake or some sort of misunderstanding, that's a judgment call that they will make, by the way. They will determine what that means. Those people in those circumstances will get an opportunity to correct the problem. The other thing that you need to know is that when they do deny you, they must include a very specific reason why they have done so. So your letter of denial or the decision letter will need to include a very specific reason for why they have denied you. So those are some of the guidance that we've received thus far from immigration about this policy. They are also going to put out checklists, various checklists on their website, uscis.gov, that will inform you very specifically about what documents you must attach or evidence you must attach to your petition or application. So that's something they are working on. I have not seen evidence of that yet. I checked the website today and I have not seen any of those checklists yet. So stay tuned for those checklists. Now, super important that you know that this policy is in effect. They can in fact deny your application or petition if without giving you notice first or an opportunity to cure the problem. Watch my video for details about my other video for details about what are the circumstances in which they will do so. Stay attuned to what's going on. Work with a lawyer. This is not the time to really try to do some of this on your own. Things have gotten a lot more complex, and so you don't want to spend a lot of money on filing fees only to have to do the process all over again and spend more money. So I hope you find this video helpful. Again, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.